Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha and I'm from the Modi Academy and we are doing Maths 10 standard topics and today's topic is statistics. Statistics is one of the main important topics for now. And why? Because it is related with all the data which we use in day-to-day life, how to group them, how to go on with the calculations for them. So it is all related to the statistics. Now, okay, if we have suppose four students in a class and a maths teacher took a test out of 10. So one of the students scored 9, then 8 and 5, then yeah, two of them scored 5. So how she will group them? Just she will write as it is? No, she will group them like A, B, C and D. So 9, 8, 5 and 5. Now there are two students who scored 5 marks, correct? So when she will, if she want to group them with respect to marks, then she will write 9, 8 and 5. Here there is one student, here one student and here there are two students. So yeah. So overall there are four students. So this is just an example, simple example of grouping the data. Now we will move on with the chapter. So, first one is mean of the group data. Now what is this mean? Now suppose I had taken this example, no? So see 9, 8, 5 and 5. So 9 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5. You have to add them and divide with 4. Now 8 plus 8 is 17 and this one will be 27 upon 4 will be the mean of this data. Okay, so yeah, this will be the 27 upon 4 will be the mean of this data. This is regarding group data. Further questions will be asked on group data. We'll focus on that. Now see, then first method which we see to find this mean. Now now why we use methods? See, all this to calculate will be a hectic. Calculations will be like more. We'll have to do more calculations. So methods are always used to reduce your calculations and reduce your time. So first method is direct method. For level 2 students, this method is short for 3 marks. So you can very well practice this. And for level 1, there are 3 methods, any one of them can come. Okay, direct method, mostly for direct method only this MCQs are asked. So you also have to study this. So yeah, now these are the marks obtained by students in one test: 10, 20, 36, 40, 50, 56, 60, 70, 72. These are all the marks which are scored by students. Now, okay, how many students scored 10 marks? There is only one student who scored 10 marks. Then one student scored 20 marks. Then 3 students scored 36. 4 students scored 40. So this is the information which they have given us in the this table. So first you have to find Fi Xi. Now Fi is the number of students, number of children, number of people, number of anything, okay, related to persons. Now here these are the marks, okay. Xi is the marks. Now we have to multiply them. 10 into 1 is 10. Similarly, 20 into 1 is 20. 36 into 3 is 108. and then summation. Now what is summation? Is adding all the data. Adding all the data is called a summation, and that summation sign is there here, which represent that this we have taken all the sums, we have added all the this data. Okay, so we got 1779. Okay, now mean is for direct method. Note down this. X bar means mean. Mean is given by summation fi xi upon summation f. Okay, summation fi xi upon summation fi. Now how to find summation fi xi is just add, first multiply fi and xi and then just add all the terms which we got. Okay. And summation fi is number of students, total number of students, total number of people, total number of children. So yeah, so we got 1779 upon total number of students were 30, summation fi. So 177 upon 30 is equal to 59.3. Now this is for the group data, and we will, I told you, we'll focus more on ungrouped data. Now what is ungrouped data? First of all, now here, okay, we have written 36, 56, 1 marks we have written, one of the marks we have written. Directly we can put 10 to 20. Now mostly it is like 11, 12 marks scored by students are 11. Okay, it is like 11, 12, then 55, 60, 45, like this. Students get this type of marks, right? Sometimes 11.5. So how to write this? We'll go on writing 11, 12, 13, 14. No, we'll have to like form an interval like 10 to 15, 10 to 20, so that it will be easy for us to get this 11, 12, 13 marks in this interval. 11. So suppose this is the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 students got 10 to 15. So I'll just directly write here 4. So no need to write 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 and all. So yeah. So this helps us in, this ungrouped data helps us in calculating better. So your chart looks like somewhat like this. So 10 to 25, how many? 2 students got marks from 10 to 25, 3 students got 25 to 40, 7 students got 40 to 55, 6 students got 55 to 70. Now this is better like for us to understand. Then now class interval 10 to 25. Suppose now this is called class interval. Now this is called now 10 to 25, 25 is the highest, right? So this is called upper limit. Okay, this is called the upper limit and this is called the lower limit of an interval. And there is class size, class height. Okay, suppose you have 10 to 25. Class size is nothing but h is given by upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit is your 25 minus 10, so 15 is your class size or class height. Then we have class mark. Okay. Class mark is given by upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Now for this particular class interval, 10 plus 25 upon 2, which will be 35 upon 2, and your class mark is 17.5. So this is how we calculate class mark. So MCQs will be asked on this, like what is the class size or what is the class mark of a particular this a class interval. So you can find by this. Now we'll see direct method, how to solve ungrouped data by direct method. This type of questions come for level 2 students for 3 marks, short questions, so you can solve this. So first you have to draw class interval. Now this will be your question. Okay, now same thing you have to copy. Now this is given vertically, so you have to copy, okay, as it is, and then this is given horizontally, this you have to copy vertically, and then third column and fourth column also you have to make. In the third column your class mark will come, and fourth column FI XI. Now what is class mark? Okay. Class mark is XI. XI first. Now what is the difference between there and here? First you had students like scored 15 marks, 17 marks, 18 marks, so that time you are naming this as XI, but here there are no like 15, 17, 18 marks. Here directly the interval is given, so you have to take class mark XI, you have to calculate XI. So I already told you 10 plus 25 upon 2 will be equal to 17.5. Then 25 plus 40 upon 2 will be 32.5. Same thing will go on. Okay, after you get this class mark, then you have FI XI. That is FI is 2 into 17.5 is 35. Then 3 multiplied by 32.5 is 97.5. Then 7 into 47.5 is this. So yeah, got all the information here, and this all we have to add. We have to go on adding 35 plus 97.5, 332.5, and this. So the sum comes 1860. Now I already told you what is the formula for direct method, and that is summation FI XI upon summation FI. Summation FI XI we got 1860 upon FI is 30. So 0, this 0 cancel, 3. When we divide this, we will get 62. So this is your mean of, this is how you have to calculate mean by direct method. So in the next class, we will see how to calculate mean with other methods. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe.